How do you allow people to be their authentic selves, to be free, to build their own personal brands? Because at the end of the day, it's a great thing for your firm as well, but keep it at a certain level. How do you regulate that?
It's setting some broad guidelines for people to operate within. And I think it's really setting more themes about just don't be contrived. Don't be seeking likes and hits. Talk about something that's important to you. I think it'd be brilliant if our Article Clark trainees, if one of them put together almost like a day in the life of being a trainee, or this is what I did this week, this is what I did the week after. Because everybody in a law firm is at a different stage of their journey, and everybody believes that their job is the hardest job in the law firm. And so you've got to look at it through different perspectives. And I think if you're actually talking about what's important to you, that really resonates with people.